The Volvo XC90's infotainment system can sometimes encounter glitches, freezes, or lag. Performing a reset is often the first and simplest solution. There are primarily three types of resets: a soft reboot, a hard reset, and a factory reset. A soft reboot is the quickest fix, resolving temporary glitches by holding the touchscreen power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts, similar to refreshing a computer's RAM without losing data. A hard reset involves disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 5 to 10 minutes, or using an OBD2 port with Volvo's software for a deeper system refresh that can require repairing Bluetooth devices. The most comprehensive option is a factory reset, which reverts the system to its default settings, erasing all user data and necessitating the re-entry of Wi-Fi credentials and app syncing. This is accessible through the vehicle's settings menu under System, then Factory Reset. For persistent touchscreen issues, recalibration through the service menu might be needed, sometimes involving specific corner taps or diagnostic codes like Volvo on the screen. Touch screen problems often stem from environmental factors like heat. Keeping your software up to date prevents failures. Regular resets prevent most minor infotainment issues. Many issues are now resolvable via over-the-air updates, with Volvo pushing towards Google Automotive Services. In the future, AI-driven diagnostics will likely automate resets. While resets are often effective, overuse is not recommended. Make sure your car is in park with the engine off before attempting any reset. If problems persist, it may be worth a trip to the dealership to have the car looked at by a professional.